Hello, welcome to HelloBar. My name is Albert, and for our next tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to integrate HelloBar with Vertical Response. So this guide will not only show you how to sync your HelloBar contacts to Vertical Response, but also will show you how to create an automation wherein your new pop-up sign-up will receive an autoresponder email. So here's how we're going to do it. First, we will navigate in our Vertical Response admin under Contacts. We will create a dedicated contact list to sync with HelloBar. So let's click on Create New List and let's name it HelloBar List. Let's just keep the allow people to sign up and tick, and let's hit next. Hit not now. Let's just refresh to display our new contact list. Okay, our HelloBar lists is all set. Next thing we're gonna do is navigate under messages. Okay, and we will go to create email automation. This is where we're gonna create our autoresponder email and then create that workflow. So click the create email automation and let's name our automation. So let's just name it HelloBar autoresponder. We will select our HelloBar list and then hit next. Under send email when, we will select join a list. As you can see, we can select a time delay. If you want to make it instantaneous, you just leave it as it is, but you can also put in like number of days, hours, or weeks to send the autoresponder after the sign up. So we will select 1 hour for now. Let's just tick the send this email automation and let's hit create email. So as you can see, we have here a list of pre-made email design template. So we'll just select the basic design for this tutorial. And let's enter our email content. Just for now, let's just put in thank you for signing up to our mailing list. Let's just give it as simple as that, but obviously you can create your custom welcome email. So next thing we're gonna do is hit next at the top right. Okay, so we're gonna name our email this HelloBar welcome email, for example. Okay, so we'll enter our from name, which is the email address that we use. Subject line, just put in welcome email and thank you for signing up as a preview text. We will hit save at the top right. Okay, so as you can see, it is asking for email verification. If you have not done yet the email verification, you will hit resend the verification email or hit the I've done this. I went ahead and verified my email, so I have now the option to activate our automation. So let's hit activate. Okay, that should be it. Let's now proceed in HelloBar to create our integration. So in the HelloBar admin dashboard, we will proceed under contacts. Let's create a new contact list and let's name it Vertical Response. Okay, we'll hit show all tools and let's select Vertical Response from the list. Okay, it will ask you to log in to your Vertical Response. In my case, I'm already logged in. So the next step is to select the HelloBar list that we created earlier in Vertical Response. So here it is from the list. Let's hit save. And that's it. You can now assign this contact list to our email collecting pop-ups. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's create a new pop-up that we will display on our site. Of course, we will select the grow email list. We will select a layout. For this one, let's just select the modal pop-up. Okay, it shows us the default design, but we can customize this by selecting a template. For now, let's just select the Brooklyn template. Okay, so let's proceed under conversion. Okay, so under after Hellebar collects an email address, where should we send it? We will select the vertical response contact list that we created. So here it is at the bottom. Okay, so that should be it. Let's just hit publish and your pop-up is all set. Now that concludes our tutorial on how to create an automation that will create autoresponder and sync your Hellebar contacts to vertical response. Try Hellebar now and convert more than 83% of your site visitors into leads, subscribers, and buyers. Thank you for watching.